Hey, welcome back to Fix It Fast. Today, I'll show you how to free up over 100 gigabyte and make your computer faster in 7 easy steps. And no, we're not installing any sketchy software. Just a few quick built-in Windows tricks that actually work. Step 1. Press Windows plus R, type prefetch, and hit enter. Click Yes if it asks for permission. You'll see a bunch of old files Windows uses to speed up loading apps, but most are no longer needed. Select everything and delete. Again, if some don't go, skip them. Totally fine. Just between steps 2, 3, and 4, you can easily clear 20 to 30 gigabytes. Step 2. Press Windows plus R again, but this time type %temp% and hit enter. This opens a folder full of leftover temporary files your system doesn't need anymore. Select everything and delete it. If some files don't delete, skip them. They're in use and that's okay. Step 3. Press Windows plus R again, but this time type just temp, no percent signs, and hit enter. Another temp folder will open, more junk. Select everything, delete, and skip anything that won't go. Step 4. Click your Start menu, type Disk Cleanup, and hit enter. Choose your main drive, usually C, and let it scan. Now, check everything. And click on Clean up System Files. Select everything again. Temporary files, recycle bin, thumbnails, Windows Update Cleanup, Windows Old Files Acceptance. Click OK, then delete files. That alone can free up several gigabytes in one click. Step 5. Let's stop unnecessary apps from slowing down your PC during boot. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab. Right-click and disable apps you don't need loading every time. For my PC, I disable everything. This makes your PC start up way faster. Step 6. Go to your Windows icon and click on Settings. Click on System. On left side, click on Storage. Turn on Storage Sense. Then click on Configure Storage Sense or Run it now. Customize it to your liking, but be careful with this one. Downloads folder, if you turn on Auto Delete for this, Windows might remove files you still need, like installers, important documents, or videos you haven't moved yet. To stay safe, it's best to set this to Never, unless you're absolutely sure you won't need those files again. Set it and forget it. Windows will handle the cleanup for you automatically. But for me, I don't usually use this feature. I prefer cleaning my PC manually, so I'll leave it as it is. You can either click Clean Now to run it, or just close the window if you're not planning to use it, like I do. Step 7. Now let's make things snappier by reducing visual effects. Search for View Advanced System Settings and click on it. Under the Advanced Section tab, click Settings. Choose Adjust for Best Performance and check on Show Thumbnail instead of Icon and Smooth Edges of Screen Fonts. Click on Apply, then OK. This makes your system feel much faster, especially on older PCs or laptops. And that's it. You just cleared out tons of junk, freed up storage, and boosted performance, all using tools already in your PC. No software, no headaches. If this helped, go ahead and like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss future quick fixes. This is Fix It Fast. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.